All right, guys, just a real quick review on the central limit there. Make sure you had it really good. And here we go. First of all, what it basically says is you can use the normal distribution to find probabilities if you know one of two things. If you know the population is normally distributed already, or if your sample size is bigger than 30, N meaning sample size, if your sample size is bigger than 30. Let me show you one quick example here. The mean of a student's height at Webb School are normally distributed with a mean of 67 inches and a height of 2.5 inches. I kind of made that up. What is the probability that a randomly chosen student's height is less than 65? So came down here, did probably less than 65. Use the mu in the problem. Use the standard deviation in the problem. Now, they did tell me the problem is normally distributed, so I can use my normal distribution. I punched it in my calculator, got 0.2119. The second part, part B, says in a sample of 20 randomly selected students, which is different, what is the probability that the mean of the sample would be greater than 64? So I'll probably greater than 64, same mean, but your standard deviation is now 2.5 divided by square root of 20, because you got to take into account it's a sample. Punched that in my calculator, got 0.9999, which I would expect because that's pretty low. Most people are taller than 64, so worked out pretty good. And that's all I got for you. Answer the question at the end of this thing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Shortest one ever.